Welcome. In this lecture we will add another body to node D, so click to node D and select add child node, write rigid and pick RigidBody2D, click create. This RigidBody2D also need another node, select collision shape from the recent here. If you don't have it, right here collision and select collision shape 2D. When you click on collision shape 2D, go to shape and select new rectangular shape. Again, click on RigidBody2D and add sprite from the recent, or write in a search box sprite, select sprite, click create. Now we will work with this. First, click to sprite and select texture, drop down menu, load, icon PNG, click open. Collision shape, drag and drop, so click, move and drop to be under sprite, but not as sub sprite, so need to be rigid body under sprite. This is right position. So now click on this and we will try to see collision shape is here. Collision shape need to be below, as I say before, and we need to have both on a screen. We will change position of the sprite with transform scale, change 0, 24, 0, 24 with the scale. Now click on collision shape and set position to be with this scale. Click again on a rigid body and make sure that objects children are not selectable. When this is done, you need to see all two elements. Click on move mode with rigid body selected and put it somewhere here. We will continue in the next lecture. Thank you for watching. Interesting things are coming.